Last night, we received the Conservation Award for Outstanding Organization from the Guy Harvey Foundation. We were honored to receive this award, and we share this award with every angler that has ever requested a dolphinfish tagging kit, and then every angler that has actually taken that tagging kit and put it to use by tagging dolphinfish for our program. While our tagging program's origins was as a state-based initiative that ran out of the South Carolina Department of Natural Resources from 2002 to 2005, for the last 19 years, we have operated as a privately driven and funded program. We calculated that we have distributed at least 74,144 tags to anglers over the duration of this study. Only half of those tags have actually been reported as deployed. This stat offers a glimpse into the following. First, we have been relentless in our distribution of tags to anglers to increase data collection on this species. But second, the reality is, it takes a special angler to take action once they receive their free kit and actually put it to use. Over the last few years, several scientific papers have shown that the dolphinfish population in the western central Atlantic Ocean is not what it used to be in geographically separate locations. Tagging has and will always be a fundamental method used to describe key components of a fish's population attributes. By engaging in our tagging program, you are helping to quantitatively describe the population attributes of dolphinfish. With essentially all components of the tagging kits made in-house, when you use your dolphinfish tags and kit, you are not only helping move our program forward, but you are recognizing the value of the work we do to help scientifically describe a key offshore game fish species' life history traits. And now, we are trying to do the same with wahoo, a species just as revered as mahi, but with even less knowledge of their movements and population dynamics and regional connectivity. And while getting anglers to tag wahoo is even more challenging, we have had a few follow through. Those anglers are the ones that continually participate in our program with mahi annually, fuel our fire to keep working incredibly hard to compile new scientific evidence on these amazing species by growing our program. So thank you to all those anglers that give our program an enormous sense of purpose. We truly share this award with you, and it could not have been possible without you. We remain unequivocally dedicated to continue working with anglers to compile data on mahi and other data-deficient species such as wahoo. And this award is a reflection that we are doing something special together. With every new kit request that comes in, kit that is mailed out, and every data card that returns, our work continues. Thank you for your participation in the Beyond Our Shores Foundation Dolphinfish Research Program.